Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I'm going to talk about my day to night makeup. So I don't know about you, but when I go to work or school, I don't necessarily wear as much makeup as I would if I'm going out with my friends. Mainly because I don't like getting up any earlier than I have to. So I get up with just enough time to put my clothes on and put enough makeup on so I don't scare anybody. However, after working or school, sometimes I get a text or a call, hey, let's go to dinner, let's go to a movie. And suddenly, I wish I had gotten up earlier and put some makeup on. But have no fear, there's a way to take your everyday look and turn it into a really pretty night look. So my first piece of advice would be, keep an emergency makeup kit on you. In your purse, in your car, in your desk at work, in your backpack at school. Because I never know when my friends are going to want to get together, and I work pretty far from my home, so I don't really have time to go all the way home. New makeup, go back out, what have you. Keep an emergency makeup kit, trust me, you'll thank me later. However, say you know in advance that after work or school you're going to go out with your friends. You can prepare the night before or that morning. If you're me, it'll be that night before, so you don't have to get up any earlier that morning. So in the morning, I usually do my makeup quickly, and I generally stick with more neutral colors. You can do whatever you want, I guess it depends what kind of job you have or school you go to. So something like Urban Decay, any of their naked palettes. This is the smoky one. Or this little gift from Clinique. This cool one from Ulta. Or this little guy from NYX. Basically anything with a neutral palette. I mean, you could, like I said, pick any one you want. That's what I go with. And then for the face, I don't know, this little from Hi Carrie, because it sort of has every shade you need for your face, and I just swirl them all together on a brush and just on my cheeks and I go. So for a little bit better view without the bangs of my daytime makeup, very, very neutral, just some browns, just a little bit in the crease, little shadow for liner. But now we want to go tonight. My first piece of advice is get yourself a makeup bag. Any size, any shape. If you're an Ipsy subscriber like me, you probably own 600 makeup bags now. Just pick one that you like. If you don't, you can get a makeup bag almost anywhere. Target, Bath & Body Works, drugstores, go to town. And then I fill it the night before with everything I think I'm going to need for the next evening. Tip number 2. The Smokey Eye will become your best friend. If you're new to it, have no fear. It's pretty easy to work with. I don't know about you, but sometimes my liner or my shadow gets all smudgy at the end of the day. It doesn't look the way I want it to. But a smoky eye can help you with that. So now I'm going to mess up my makeup as if it were the end of a school or work day. I have never purposely messed up my makeup, so this might be emotional for me. It's interesting, when I want it to smear or mess up, it doesn't. You will have packed brushes the night before. ELF, ELF have some nice ones. Even MAC, they have these little mini ones that you can get. I think I got 5 of these in a little like brush bag, and they're perfect for travel. So then I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Smoky Palette and fix my makeup. So any liner that has smudged or ran on your upper lash line, you are going to smudge it more. Take an eyeliner in black and run it along the lash line. Then take whatever brown shade or cream shade you were working with and put that over the lid. Blending in with the smudged liner. Take one of the darker shades and put that through the crease Take one of the lighter shades and put that through the brow bone. Liner in the waterline. Take the shade from the crease along the lower lash line. Add another coat of mascara. Step 3, reapply, fix any contour, blush, or highlighter. I only put a little bit on, so mine would be more like reapplying. I like this from ELF because it has the contour and the blush in one. Highlighter. And the blush from the ELF duo. Step 4 is to clean up any oil, streaks, smears, or any makeup. So I go in more concealer. I fix things with a powder concealer, but if you have dry skin, you might want to use a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. And then step 5 would be to set, spray the makeup. Urban Decay has a setting spray. Too Faced has a setting spray, which I got a little trial size of. So does NYX and ELF. Is it ELF or ELF? I don't know. And then you're good to go. And then we have taken our everyday schoolwork makeup to a night out makeup. Obviously, you could always just take off all your day makeup and put night makeup on if you want to, but this is just a little bit quicker and working with what you already have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, check out the blog for information about the products I used. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching. Check out the other videos. Check out the blog. Check out Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm just a walking advertisement for myself, aren't I? I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.